Hi, my name's Aaron Hilton. I've been working in solar power for 10 years now. Approved Solar Retailers is a status provided by the Clean Energy Council. Formerly, it was very hard to become an approved solar retailer. In doing so, they were assuring that the customers that were purchasing from approved solar retailer suppliers were getting a good outcome. When Gem Energy became approved solar retailer, we already had a practice that was very similar, so it wasn't much of a transition for us. Merely it was just a recognition of the quality approach that we're already taking. So if you want to look at approved solar retailer as something reliable, I would say that the first 50 approved solar retailers were probably brought on in that fashion. The solar retailer argued that it was detrimental to their business to not be approved solar retailer and to be excluded from that. We're literally seeing some of the shoddiest operators in the market now being approved solar retailers, which is quite disheartening for the companies that are doing it well. But that's just the way things are at the moment. It's not the status that it once was, but if you did look into it, you could see the original approved solar retailer suppliers would still have had to go through a very stringent process to become approved solar retailers.